Morning everyone, I'm Changi. Right, it's 6:40 in the morning. It's still a little bit dark. The other brickies have just unloaded their tools. Just clocked them. I'm going to see what's happening with this. Whether all the walls are still standing, because it's really windy today. Could have done with a spanner. So open this. Ah, they've done it. Like, sweet. Sean's not here yet. Well, I'm going to start loading these blocks because I cannot afford to be behind this morning. Right, let's get going. Everything's still standing, thank God. Let's get everything backed up. Just literally started putting a corner in and it's torrential rain. Jesus Christ. So we're covered up and we're going to have to leave it a bit. Might go have a brew down in the canteen, have a bit of something to eat. Listen to that. Woo! I just dived in the back of the van quick. I can't remember your name, but I'll put it in the video after. Someone's asked me for a little video on my belt. So what's on it is you got the tactical belt, that's from Amazon. You got the clip holder, they're from Amazon, but that came with the belt for me tape. You got a trowel mate just round the corner on it, and you got 2 holsters which are Amazon as well. The whole lot costs about 10, 20, probably about 60 quid for the lot, so not too bad. Right, what we've been doing is jumping from one side to the other, alternating so as we can get the 2 walls on. It's a little bit windy, so as soon as we got this in, we'll be stacking some bricks, some blocks up here, get it nice and shored up. Blocks up here. We having the line on, Shab? Yeah, ready. That's that wall done. It's a little bit wet. That's everything stacked, blocks either side. Same that side. That shouldn't go anywhere now. Should be nice and sturdy. All it needs doing is a clean up. We'll go jump on this other plot. Right, it's very windy. Starting on this next plot. Got it loaded up for one side, but it's absolutely super windy. Nearly loaded anyway. Down the other side we've still got groundworks going on, so let's see what happens. Ten past 5. We've got in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 36, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 58 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 58 times 13, and take out for the window. 58 times 13, take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 times 7. And that's what you need to take out, and that's the count for the bricks. Count for the blocks is 240 odd. So it's 16 and a half, it's actually 16 and a half long. So 16 and a half long by 2, and that's by 7 courses, and then you got the briquettes to match. Not a bad day. Let's go home.